Welcome to my channel. I'm Rahul and today we are going to see how to download and install Java and later on we'll be configuring it. So before starting it, let me open command prompt. So if you type Java version, see I'm getting the Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So which means something is missing in our Java. So there are two things that need to be checked. First of all, we have to install Java, the relevant version which we want. It is recommended to use latest version. And another thing is we have to configure that Java. So our application should recognize and it should use the Java which we have installed. Okay, so let's get started. I'll open Chrome browser. So we have to write download JDK. So latest version is 14, but uh, I'll go with 13. Steps are exactly same. Now, if you even if you want to download JDK 7, 8, whatever, the steps will be exact same. Only you have to just change the version and you have to follow the step which I'm telling you. So this is a official website, oracle.com. You have to click on it. Yeah, scroll it down. Here you can see the executable files are available. So you can click on any of those as per your platforms. So mine is Windows. So in Windows we have two options. One is exe, one is zip. So I'll go with exe. Both will do the same thing. Yeah. One thing that you might have noticed, there is a lock available here. So this is something which Oracle has introduced. So now before downloading, we have to sign in and then only we'll be allowed to download JDK. So I've just checked on JDK. I'm clicking on this button. So I'll be navigating to login page. Okay, so if you want to log in, you should be having account created. So I do have account. If you don't have, do not worry. There's a create account button. You can just click on it. I'll show you that how simple it is. Yeah. Okay, so this is form available. It's a very simple. You have to give the basic details and you have to click on create account. After creating this, you'll get an email where you have to just confirm that this is your valid email. That's it. Your username and password is ready then. So I'll be using my username and password. So click on sign in. So once it will authenticate your credentials, it will immediately start downloading. Yeah, you can see it has started downloading. I'll just stop this downloading because I have already downloaded it. So I'll tell you the steps how to install it. After double click, you have to, will get this pop-up. So you have to just click on next. If you want to change directory, definitely you can change, but it is not recommended to change. Better to keep every software in C. So I'll not change anything. I'll click on next. So now it have started installing. It will take few minutes to install. Yeah, it is installed successfully. Now we have to just click on close. Installation is done. If you want to check this installation is done or not, so you can go in C, program file, Java. Here you can see Java 13. Okay. So what you have to do now, you have to just copy this path till bin. In Java, there will be a folder bin. You have to just copy, go into it, copy this path. Now what we have to do, I'm scrolling it down. So here it's this PC. In your computer, it might be my computer. So you have to just select and right click on it. You have to click on this properties. click on this advanced system settings. You have to follow the step which I'm telling you. In advanced, there will be environment variable. You have to click on it. So here you have to configure path. So you can see here, uh, I'll just give an example like C Windows System 32 semicolon C Windows. So what exactly it does? So every path is separated by semicolon. So now we are going to configure Java path also over here. So it will also get separated by semicolon. So I'm using Windows 10, so it has a different feature to enter these values. So if you're using any other Windows 8 or 7 or any, so what you have to do, you have to just double click on it. You have to click on end button, add semicolon and paste it, the path which you have copied. If you have Windows 10, I'll tell you the steps. You have to select this, click on edit, add new, paste. Yeah, it's done. So exactly what exactly it is doing, whatever path we have added, you can see the list of path. It is separated by semicolon. It's the same thing. Okay, I click on OK. Yeah, configuration is done. Earlier, what we have seen when we were trying to type in command prompt Java version, we were not getting anything. So we were getting some error. Java is not recognized. Now let's see, are we still getting this error or not? Hopefully not, because we have configured Java. So it is very simple to configure Java. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in next video.